3 mwe bali kuwagira Blue 3. It was a fill-up show. Mwe bali kuturning up. It was a very, very, very organized show. It was a show that distinguishes between abayimbi the artists, bano be bayimbi. These are the artists. These were real artists. Bayimbi. Banai. Obwana bwakubyeraga from beginning to the end. Sheebah twamulabyeko. Sheebah was there. Naye Cindy yatuso performing a last show. Nga I felt yavudde ku bantu abazze omulaba. Alina gwayagala olaga kaawo. Ali mu show. Naye ne Sheebah si musiru. Oba emboozi yabadde mu mboozi empitirivu ennyo nga Cindy lwa performing yabadde na chwejo awo nga weba kuba olwali ngamba Sheebah tanyumirwa oba just so but it was away from that. It was a good show. The artists, I've not seen so many shows where artists stand up and grace fellow artists, by the way. But then zirabe Uganda nga bayimbi banji. Actually, we had a very big turn up of artists coming in to witness this show. How often must they do this show? Era Cindy, Sheebah and Jackie Chandiru, can they revive their Blue 3 batandike kolanga fi ani bamitani madoxi, because it felt there's that old glory jebali neyo, but we shall dive deeper into that conversation later on. But for now, let's first see what transpired at Hotel Sheraton kushya abakyala bano.
Movement and part of this comeback. We definitely want to recognize all the fans since 2008 when I get money back.